Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a job search announcement with once you get hired post template, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up a job search announcement with the once you get hired post template, begin by logging into your preferred job search platform. Navigate to the section where you can create a new post or announcement. Select the option for a job search announcement. In the title area, clearly state your intention, such as job search announcement. Add a brief introduction about your job search status. Mention the specific roles or fields you are interested in pursuing. Include details about your skills and relevant experience. Highlight any geographical preferences for your job search. Insert a call to action, encouraging people to share leads or opportunities. Now, format your announcement using the once you get hired template. In the main body, explain what type of position you aim to secure. Provide a brief summary of your qualifications. Mention any key achievements or projects that showcase your capabilities. If applicable, state your availability for interviews or networking. Make sure to express enthusiasm and openness to various opportunities. Review your announcement for clarity and conciseness. Once satisfied, choose the visibility settings to control who can see your post. Finally, hit the Publish button to share your job search announcement with your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.